Okay, let's talk about Subwoofer acoustic isolation platform. So Subwoofer platform, right, from Starfavor. I received this from them. This is the 10-inch, 8 to 10-inch subwoofer platform. I using this for a week. I'm a movie guy, so I saw a lot of movies this week testing this, and I was surprisingly impressed by the result. Um, the phone is dense enough. I didn't see it lowering, having any impact. Let me lower this camera. Any impact on the product when I put my subwoofer. Um, it changed the sound for better. I think I have a clipish uh, subwoofer, and the vibration sometimes was too much. I can feel the vibration in my couch. It's behind my couch. I things over. I have a small amplifier over my subwoofer because of my rear speakers. They are passive, and I'm using a Wi-Fi transmitter. You can see other videos here, and using the SPS Wi-Fi transmitter. So my small amplifier and the receiver from SBS, they normally move over my subwoofer, and I noticed that they didn't with this. I don't know why. Maybe these also have a cushion effect. It has a nice flannel fabric over it, so it not scratch anything. This MDF, and there's this base that's full. I was really impressed by the change. I don't know if it because it raised my subwoofer or because the vibration was changing the sound around me. But I feel the sound clear now. The bass clear, and I really like a strong bass. So I think this change for the better. I recommend from 8 to 10 inch speakers, subwoofers, and you have also from 12 to 14 or 15 on there. They also sell the bigger one. Um, I didn't test. They say it holds up to 110 pounds. For sure, your subwoofer will not move. This will hold in place. This phone here looks really nice and dense enough to hold the weight of a subwoofer. So as I said, this changed the sound, and I really recommend this product. The name of the product in Amazon, you see the link. If you see this video on YouTube, there is a link in the description. If you look in this video in Amazon itself, you have the product link below. You help me if you buy this product by that link, because then I can get a small commission from it. It will not be more expensive for you. You just help me to make more videos as this one. The name in Amazon is Starfavor Subwoofer Isolation Pad. That's the name, and I really recommend this product there. It's amazing. Have a great night, a great day. Bye.